Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Stephany if you're new here, and this is motherhood. So for today's video, this was part of a poll I did on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, the links will be down below. But I did a poll on what you guys wanted to see first, so I promised 2 videos. It's my everyday makeup routine, and I'll have that link down below for you guys. The other video that you guys voted on that you wanted to see was what I pack for a weekend getaway. And so yeah, so I'm here and I'm in the middle of packing. I like looking at the mess behind me. And I'm in the middle of packing, and we are packing all of this in a carry-on like suitcase, like a small suitcase, because it's just for the weekend and it is a road trip. We're not going too far. It's kind of like a staycation to visit family. But if you wanted to see what I packed for me and my toddler, so I'm just going to show you an overview of everything, and then I'm going to show you how I fit everything into my luggage. So let's do it. So that's your overview of everything on this side. On this side is Olivia's stuff, and then that's my clothes, or sweaters, and then books and stuff. And then in those plastic bags we have like toiletries and stuff. And there's some things that I took that are not travel size because I didn't have a travel size container. So that's fine though, because it's going to be in our car, so it's not a big deal. Obviously, I wouldn't carry that stuff if I was traveling out of the state. So I'm just gonna go through each pile, and then yeah. Right here I have 3 little dresses for Olivia because she is potty training, which is going really well. So if you guys want an update on that and how it went from a regression to fully potty training in like a day, let me know in the comments. And I have these pairs of shorts that she can re-wear with each of these dresses. Then in this pile I have 2 t-shirts and 1 pair of long leggings. And then in this pile I have 1 dressier shirt, 1 cute like tiger t-shirt, and then another pair of biker shorts, and the last outfit, which is a t-shirt and some cute polka dot shorts. So those are all her outfits. And then I have some socks right here for her. Then I have some underwear. And then I brought 1 dress pajama long sleeve, and then 1 like regular pajama set in case she gets dirty. And then I have some pull-ups for nighttime. I actually need to buy more when we get there. I have some baby wipes. And then for the road trip, I got her something new to keep her entertained. I'm sure she's going to be napping, but like building sets. And I know that you see it and it's like a lot of pieces, but I'm not going to give them all to her. So you could basically connect them and kind of make something out of those. So I packed 2 pairs of sunglasses, 1 for Olivia and 1 for me. My headphones. Okay, so for my pile is these 2 things. Here are my socks, underwear, bra, 1 pair of jeans because I'm wearing the other one, 1 romper which I have to iron, this dressy shirt that I would wear with the romper like tied over, 2 long sleeve shirts in case it gets chilly, 2 graphic t-shirts, and 1 graphic tank top. Moving on, in case it gets chilly again, I packed Olivia's pullover hoodie, and then I packed a black cardigan for myself. I think it's going to be 80s to 90 degrees though, so you probably won't need it, but you never know. Moving on, for my pajamas, I brought my sweatpants and then this cute Stranger Things tank top that I got at Target a while ago. So that's my stuff. And then right here, she has 2 stuffed animals she sleeps with, but we're only bringing 1, so we're bringing the cat. And I'm bringing this book that I spoke about in my last video. And 2 books for Olivia. These are her favorites for nighttime. The yoga one, and then Goodnight Moon. And then quickly, before, because we almost have to leave, I have my makeup bag. I did put like deodorant, my makeup, and a little detangling brush. This is disgusting and a mess. Then in this one I packed toothpaste, toothbrushes, floss. In this one I packed razors, thermometer, nail clippers. Not that we're gonna need it, but it's like just in case. And then the last one, I packed floss, more floss, a soap, Q-tips, body spray, face wash, Olivia's wash, and Olivia's hair detangler. I hope you guys saw all of that stuff. So yeah, I like these, and I would love to do the cubings for the clothing too. I'll probably invest in something like that. Okay, so for shoes, I'm wearing these to leave, my Nike Roshis. And then I'm gonna bring these for Olivia, and then these just in case. So I think I'm gonna put the shoes in first. For myself, I'm bringing these, my trusty black sandals that I love from Target. First, I'm gonna put my clothes in, make them extra flat. So basically open it up and make it flat. I would do the KonMari method, but I don't have time right now. This is actually real-time packing. Okay. Then some more shirts. I should put our pajamas on top. So if we get there late. And here's Olivia's pajama that I'm leaving for the top. So I'm gonna put her other one on the bottom. There we go. So now both our pajamas will be on this side. Easy to find, so when we get there. Now I'm gonna do underwear and stuff in here. So there's her socks and undies. And then my socks and my undies. And then I would usually lay a towel over this in case anything explodes, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna pack that there, this, and this. Okay, so everything fit perfectly. Underwear's on that side, toiletries on top. And then I'm left with our cardigan, our books, diapers, glasses, things that we need to reach in the car, so I'm going to put those in my bag. So this is my bag that I'm going to be using. I usually use this for travel, but yeah, I'm going to put the stuff that I need to reach in here, like wipes, diapers. I'm going to put our sunglasses in the side pocket. I'm going to put her toy for the car ride. I'm going to let her hold this one, and then these I'll just carry in my hand or like at the end. But I am going to add our books into here. And some quick stuff that I'm missing are snacks and then my charger. Okay, other things that are going in my bag. It's her water bottle. And then these snacks. So I have some granola bars, which are not all for the car. Some of them are for her to have while where we're staying. And then I have these, one for me, one for her, one for Josh. These are the Trader Joe's peanut butter jelly bars, which are delicious. And I also have lollipops from Trader Joe's. So now let me show you the toys I'll be taking and how I'm gonna pack them. Guys, these are the toys that Olivia chose to take. A horse, a little family, 2 cars, and then a piece of felt. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video.